But don't stretch it in.
You just know how to take a stick, bro.
Oh.
What are you gonna be doing today?
Huh?
What are you gonna be doing today?
We're working on bad example today.
What's wrong with it?
What ain't wrong with it?
Oh.
Said that. Go record that clown. Right there, I got it.
Fast, bro. Fast. I could tell you don't wipe your ass right, bro.
What do you mean by that? I do. I use baby wipes, bro.
That's why. Nasty ass.
Sometimes it gets too wet.
Whoa. Come on, over here, Chewy Black.
What's up?
Come on, boss.
Almost there, bro.
So what are you doing?
Gotta cut the piece for the C-notch.
Oh, you're doing a C-notch on it?
Yeah.
Shit. Cesar, we've been in the same line since like 10 minutes ago, bro.
Yeah, bro.
Let's do it this corner. Grab it and go like this. That's new ways. Look, I'm burning some kids. I'll try this at home.
Damn. Sweet burning, bro. Almost there, though.
How far have you gone? Oh, damn.
Okay, brother.
The last letter, bro. The last letter. Damn, bro. Loki andas. Estás muy orejón, bro. Estás muy orejón.
Hold on.
What about that door handle that you just broke?
How the fuck did you guys switch?
He told me to.
Did it faster? Yeah. I'm here for a pin.
You for real wanna run it?
Yeah. Where's your side bed?
Huh?
Where's your side bed?
I'll buy lunch if I lose.
Man.
So you buying me lunch if I win?
You hear that guy? He said if he loses, he'll buy me lunch. And if I lose, I'll buy him lunch.
Think like I seen lunch, bro, bitch.
Yeah, if
Huh?
I'm team.
Wait, what? What did he say?
That's what I seen, bro.
Oh.
For the whole squad.
Yeah.
Gotta have 500 saved. At least. Plus dessert.
Okay, $800.
What up?
Pizza, pizza.
What's up, baby?
What up, what up?
Over here, grinding. What we doing? Really?
Really?
He said we're grinding. Oh, that's where you got hit, huh?
Yeah, that's when it went down.
What if you flip it this way?
Like this?
That way it'll come this way and you won't hit this. Right?
Smart.
Damn, that shit worked.
See?
Hell yeah, brother.
I'm over here fucking myself up.
Yeah, it look like it'll be real sturdy when lighting up the tires.
What?
It look like it's gonna be real sturdy now when you lighting them up.
Yeah, right? Nice, right?
Yeah.
Hell yeah, bro. Damn, we took out 3. Fuck.
And we got the other side.
But that's how we
Oh,
took out the
yeah.
shit, so.
It'll be a minute by the time you guys get to this again, huh?
Maybe like a couple days.
One or two, it's not shipping days. What's it called?
Business days?
Business days.
Smiley for all you bitches.
Corny as fuck.
If you're so corny, why are you laughing then?
We're laughing at you, not with you. You got the dad jokes, huh?
You scratch it?
It has the polish in it too.
Have I ever told you that I hate you?
Me?
Yeah, you.
Why? Your reaction for the first time?
Oh, okay. That was dope.
Gary?
That's just sweet. Wait up. Oh yeah, you're right. You're right. It's just like in the holder. Well, the back already has the holster. I'm all dirty.
Hey, bro.
Shit.
I got a question for you.
What's up? Oh, should I have the same shirt? I think everybody does. Let me see. It's a Carrera. I don't have nothing on the back.
Hey, I gotta see the script.
Yes, sir, boss.
You want it in English or in Spanish?
Spanish.
English or Spanish?
Spanish.
Spanish?
No, wait, English.
English?
Yeah.
But he said Spanish. He said Spanish.
All right.
English.
I'm a little nervous.
Whoever moves first is gay. What? He's gay.
He's
You're not supposed to move.
Oh,
whoever moving first
I
is
don't
gay.
understand that. Cesar was moving first.
Did you ever see the video? No.
So what, Cesar? Tell me something.
Something? Alright guys, we don't got the bottles no more, so I can't open them for you.
Oh my
Bro.
God. Bro, these are twist off.
Also, bro, it looks like you got nut on your mouth. You see that, right?
What?
You said you got nut in his mouth?
Buffing
The tow truck? He's buffing the tow truck, bitch.
He actually worked. Look, actually, I'm gonna ask you again.
Dirty are you?
Look, True Black, he's a handyman. He said he was doing the fans. He got lining, cleaning the frame. What do you do? That's a heavy ass rim, bro.
Cesar, take it out.
She's rapping by like a Huh? You rapping by like
No. We start rapping.
Bro.
Pick it up, Cesar.
Put on top of the tow truck.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's talk away. Oh, shit. Shit. Shit got Rick. Bro.
Bro, I was just kidding, bro. He's put to the side over there. Good job, Cesar. Yeah, bro, just grab it. You anything about that?
Oh, shit, turn on the gas.
Which one's the gas?
Why the light wasn't too bright?
It's open.
Oh, you gotta do more. You gotta do more.
It's all the way open.
Oh, yeah, it is. Psych! Bro, it was not open. It was not open. Day number, wherever the fuck.
It's been a couple weeks.
Hey, Blake, just so you know, this shit ain't never coming back out. What's the point?
You like that one song? It's quirky, bro. You can like that. Oh, I said, yeah.
Here, man.
Damn.
Well, what? The parlay? I'll take the parlays too.
You been boxing for real or what? Let me see.
Yeah, look, show for the gram. Show for the gram. How you get down? Give me your keys, motherfucker. Are you ready?
Oh, hell.
Man, what the fuck? Are you serious?
Forte.
I think he's starting today or something.
You said it's hour though. He's still on YouTube.
Fuck,
Bro, why your collar sagging? Hey, remember when I fell?
Of course, brother.
Yeah, brother.
You gotta go a little high, bro.
I'm gonna bring you right up. Bro, I'm looking at my pinky, bro.
I'm on the orange, slow. Hey, Mike, you got that hard side, you gotta be careful with the gas thing. Oh, wait,
At least I ain't gonna lie. Oh my God, brother.
Hey, lift it. Come on, man. Hey, Pedrito.
you look bigger than that. It's the helpful, but
What you think?
you gotta cut them off.
It's even better because you lift the bed up and then take them off manganese.
So the Silverado ones, they strip, but from the bottom
Yeah.
anyway.
Huh?
Thoughts on the lining?
I honestly like it more than the Fairmont.
Mariana, fuck him off now, for real.
Why?
I mean, what do you think on the lining? He's like, I like it more than the Fairmont. That wasn't even the question.
Yeah, bro.
Damn.
No way. Let me know when you're ready.
Ready, Freddy. Yeah, I told him I was going to recycle. He said, we got money, we don't fucking recycle.
Damn, like that.
That's what I thought you-
Bro, I thought you was humble.
That nigga not humble.
What do you say?
That nigga humble shit.
It's outside? Ready somewhere? Yeah. Bitch, you can't drive when you drink. I said, you, let go. You drive, I'll go with you. What's happening? She's like,
I'm so scared.
Imagine you call your bitch, she's getting just rammed.
At least FaceTime. Let me see.
Keeping it. What? She ain't trying to drive the lightning. Fuck you thought?
You're trying to go skate.
Yeah, he's trying to go home. He's trying to go pick up O's. He said, baby, I've been trying to power drive you in the lightning for so long, girl. Get him outside.
I want to test out this C-notch.
Yeah. Record soon? Cut that.
Ah, put it on YouTube. Fuck it.
Corte.
Damn.
Producción.
Bro, Mike bought a fart.
Hold it in.
Squeeze it. He's vulnerable right now. Hey, Cesar right behind you, dog. Cesar.
Owner, I like it.
So what we about to do?
I spin the block real quick. We work hard on this truck. Like 2 weeks. The owner, he on a date right now. So I get to it.
Yo nunca me peino donde me manden voy. La santa me cuida y también mi tostón. Limpiando con la escoba es orden del patrón. Vamos de reversa puestos pa'l topón. 4-4 en mi clave y grupo escorpión. Claro, soy del golfo y traigo un equipón. A la muerte tengo respeto, no temor. Pa' morir nacimos y sigo de felón. Tumbando falsetes también mugre. Aunque me traten de jefe, la fama no se sube. Empecé desde abajo, ahora no veo que se